In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the Zoho Forms interface effectively. Zoho Forms is a versatile tool for building and managing online forms. It's packed with features that streamline data collection and workflow automation for your organization. Let's dive into a step-by-step guide to help you make the most of this powerful platform. First, you'll need to head over to Zoho Forms. If you're not already logged in, take a moment to do so. Once you're on the home page, you'll see the main dashboard. This is the command center for all of your form-related activities. From here, you can create, edit, and manage your forms efficiently. Next, click on My Forms. This is where you'll find a list of all the forms you've created. It's a useful area to revisit if you need to make updates or gather insights from data you've collected. In this section, you can also duplicate forms if you need a similar setup for a different purpose, saving you time and effort in the process. Now, we'll move on to Shared Forms. When you click on this, you'll gain access to forms shared within your organization. It's a great place to collaborate with colleagues. You can view, edit, or analyze responses from shared forms, fostering teamwork and ensuring everyone's on the same page regarding data input and analysis. Next up is the Org Users Forms. This section is particularly useful if you're working in a large team or organization. Here you can view forms created by other users within your organization. It's perfect for keeping track of collective inputs and outputs, making sure every member's contributions are considered and respected. After that, click on Reports. This is a powerful feature where you can generate detailed reports from your collected data. The reports provide valuable insights that can guide decision-making. They help you understand trends, measure performance, and identify areas for improvement in your processes. We'll also explore shared reports. These are reports shared with you by your colleagues. They serve as an efficient way to gain insights into data managed across the organization without having to build a report from scratch. It ensures that everyone in the team has access to the same data-driven insights. Clicking on Tasks next will introduce you to your form-related to-dos. This feature streamlines project management by allowing you to track the progress of different activities related to your forms. It keeps you organized and informed about pending tasks, ensuring that nothing slips through the cracks. Now we proceed to Users. This tab manages who has access to your forms and reports. Here you can add or remove users and adjust their permissions accordingly. It's crucial for maintaining security and privacy of your data while coordinating effectively with your team. Lastly, the Approvals section allows you to streamline administrative approvals within your workflows. You can set up automatic approval workflows to ensure that submissions receive the necessary sign-offs. This feature plays a pivotal role in maintaining operational efficiency and accountability in your processes. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on navigating Zoho Forms. Each of these features plays a vital role in optimizing your form management and data collection endeavors. Explore these sections and make the most of Zoho Forms to enhance your organizational tasks. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video.